Hi, it's Lynn Como, close to my heart, and I'm super excited about sharing Stargazer, which is the kit of the month for April. This kit is just gorgeous to work with for boys, outdoors, summer vacation, summer camp. You can even use it for Star Wars. You can use it for outdoor adventure, amusement parks. But I just had so much fun. It was a blast, pun intended, to create these pages and have fun. So if you were looking in the seasonal expressions, this is the Stargazer coordinating line. And you'll see that there's a lot to share here. But there's so many great stamp sets. And I didn't use the stamps this time. You can use the card stamp set. This is the scrapbooking stamp set. I just wanted to get done with what I had, and I'm going to show you exactly what I used. So here is the coordinating paper pack, cardstock pack. So you have 3 of each color: pewter, red, blue, and yellow. So canary, pacifica, poppy, and pewter. So that's our colors, as well as this beautiful Workshop Your Way. Now here are all of the pattern papers. You also get 3 different pieces of complements, which are stickers, which are beautiful, or chipboard to work with. You get the dots. As you can see, they're red, yellow, and blue. And then you also get some gray ribbon. Now, this is the Picture My Life sheet that we do get to cut apart into 4x6s and 3x4s, and you can use them accordingly. But it's really a beautiful product line for you to create those boy pages, which I know so many of you are excited about. So let me show you what I've done. Now, just so you know that every time you purchase a Workshop Your Way, there is a cutting guide with artwork already in there. So if you don't want to do my artwork, you can create cards, you can create the scrapbook pages, and it's all inclusive in the Workshop Your Way. So if you like that look, go for it. You might even have extra paper left over to create. Now, another product that I used today to create with, because I thought they were so much fun, was the Picture My Life 24 card pack. They're 4x3s and 3x4s. I'm just going to fan through them. I love the little, there's one in here for summer. Hold on. Hello Summer that I've used. I pretty much used quite a few of them. Sweet Summertime. What's cool about them is one side is horizontal. This is your vertical side, and then the other side is horizontal, so you can see. But I will show you how I've used these beautiful cards. There's another one that has Summer Fun. We have flip-flops. I love this one, My Summer, and I'll show you how I used it. There's so many great cards in here, and it's only $5.95. So let me show you what we've done. Or I've done. Now, this is pages 1 and 2. Let me move that up. And you can see here, this will be a 3x3 flip-flap, so you can open that up. But blast off, right? Great title. And I used my thin cuts, the alphabet set. You could stamp. You could use your Cricut machine to create your own title. This could be anything. I could see this for a birthday party, just kids outside. Maybe they went to the Science Museum, having fun at one of those great places. Perhaps they play a lot of videos, and this is a reminder of those days where you took photos of them playing and having a great time. It could be anything. Hey, you know what? Halloween costume is another one. So think about using this layout in lots of different ways. Just love the way it came out. Now, everybody should always have a one-of-a-kind page because we all are completely one-of-a-kind, right? So I don't know if you can see a good look of that. It was fun using the telescopic paper and the red and the blue. I could even see this for 4th of July if you didn't want to use one-of-a-kind. Just having fun with it so that you can enjoy using this layout. Now, these hold 3x3 and 4x6 photos. Great opportunity to use flip-flaps, right? All kinds of flip-flaps. So you'll see here's those little dots in all 3 colors. They come in 3 sizes, a mini, that's the large, and then there's also a medium. And this one-of-a-kind is a chipboard that comes in the complements. So pretty. Loved using all the different papers. The All Smiles was a Picture My Life card that I just cut down. And then once again used a lot of the little pieces and created dovetails. Everybody's always wondering what's dovetails in my instructions, but that's what they are, these little snippets that you cut right out. Love that. Great opportunity for lots of flip flaps. All right, here's where I really use those extra cards. So remember that summer card? Let me see if I can pull it out for you real quick. Okay. See how it's, whoops, there's two there. Here's your vertical, and here's your summer. Your horizontal, sorry. Now here is, hey Gloria, thanks for watching. Now here is what I've done with that same card. I'm going to be putting this in a 5x7 flip flap. I use the hashtag #MyCoolSummer, and it's epic for sure. And then if you were to flip it, it will have some opportunity for journaling. Today, whatever you'd like to say, but I really want to show you this fun layout. I'm loving red, white, and blue, but these colors just make me so happy and just loving the look of these pages. So like I said, this will be in a 5x7 flip flap. And what I did with a lot of those cards, can you see them here? I just took them and some of them I dovetailed. So I'll show you here because it won't move. But do you see how a few of them are places to hold your photos? I dovetailed them. I used the smile. And a little trick is to put powder behind the sticky part of the letter so it doesn't stick to the photo yet. So you have to do that so that you have that opportunity to put your photo there. 4x6, 4x4, and 3x4 photos work great on these two pages. Now this would be where the flip flap is, and this would flip open in a 5x7 flip flap. Lots of opportunities. Now that's so pretty, right? Great opportunity to have wonderful summer photos for your scrapbook pages. All right, now those 6 pages so far. Now here's another layout, and I want to talk to you about this one. This one has summertime, and I chose to use this more for camp. Now it's a 2-page spread, but there's more to it than that, and I will show you that in 1 second. But if you could look here, do you see these stars? Oh, I forgot to mention the trees. I'll show you the trees too. Well, I used these thin cut stars. And how did I do this look with the sanding? I turned my paper over and I basically took a thin cut, right, and washi tape with the sharper side glued to the paper. And then what you would do is you would turn it over, and we'll pretend it's over here, and sand it. And that's how you get that look on your cardstock. Now, Close to My Heart cardstock has a white core, which gives us this great distressed look. So it's just fun to try a different technique, maybe with some of the other thin cuts that you might have. And if you don't like it, you don't have to use it. That's fine. But I just want to show you something different that you can do with thin cuts other than cutting paper. Another great thing is when you have a thin cut and you use a little sunlight, you'll know exactly where you have it. Can you see that? I don't know if you can. That's a little hard. Let's try this way. You'll see it underneath. You'll see when you play with it to try it out. All right. But what I loved is the opportunity to use all of those Picture My Life cards in this 2-page spread, as well as our Pocket Plus memory protectors, right? So here's a 4x6, right? This is your horizontal, and I wanted to show you this would hold a photo. Camp is out of this thin cut, and the trees are out of the trees thin cut. And I'll show you that I also use them in another spot in another layout. But now you can see, so this would flip over. And Adventure Time is so cute. That's in that summer package of Picture My Life cards. So if I was using my album, they would go in between the 2 pages like so. Now this is the one that holds your 3x4s. Really cute, right? Summertime, adventure, summer camp, outdoor fun. It could be 4th of July, whatever you want to make it. Here's that hello that I cut down into a 3x3 and put it on a PML card. I cut the northeast, southwest card that was a 4x6 in half, just to show you can use them in different ways and more photo opportunities. So if it was in my album, that's the way they would look, and then you could flip into the next page. These 2 pages right here are actually holding a ton of photos. So I'm hoping that you're enjoying that look. Now I wanted to show you where I did those trees. So do you see this tree, these trees that are thin cuts? Well, I used some yellow cardstock, and then I cut the trees apart, and I used them as little thrusters behind the capsule as it shot off, as in our imagination. But you can see how fun that can be by adding it, because I'm just taking what was in the sticker here and just doing the same idea, using those trees as an opportunity to add that fun look. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I appreciate you watching. If this is something you're interested in, you can go to my website. It's lynncomo.closetomyheart.com. And in the search, put Stargazer. You want the workshop way. You would like the Picture My Life cards that are sold separately. And maybe you want the coordinating cardstock. But if you have any questions, you can also email me at ilovetocreateforyou.com. ilovetocreateforyou@gmail.com. Thanks.